Hi there and welcome to Andy Robinson RC. Cheers for checking out the channel today and joining us on this episode. Okay, it's Boxing Day. I hope you've all had a really good Christmas day or Christmas holidays. And as promised, it's time to sort the winner out for our Hornet Evo free giveaway, which was sponsored by the RC Elf and Inside Line Models. So yeah, before we carry on, massive thanks to the RCL for donating this kit to Andy Robinson RC so we can give it away, and also massive thanks to Inside Line Models where the kit was purchased from. Cheers guys, absolutely brilliant stuff to get an extra one of these in for us, so massive thanks there. Also a huge thanks to everybody who entered the competition, or the giveaway. I call it a competition, the giveaway. We had 88 sort of, I'll say correct, but 88 valid entries, so thank you very much for that. The winner, whoever wins, will need to email me directly. My email address to get in touch with me directly will be in the video description for this video. Okay, and then we can arrange with the winner how they will receive their Hornet Evo. Now, if it turns out for any reason that the winner that gets picked or drawn tonight turns out to be like a non-UK resident, or they haven't got a UK address, I will have to redraw the prize again, as it must go to a UK resident or a UK address for postage reasons. So yeah, I just thought I'd put that in there just in case. Okay, so what else? Well, we've got this Hornet Evo to give away, and we're going to get to that in a minute. So I'm just gonna move my book out of the way. I'm just going to turn this flat a sec, don't worry. So as you can see, my Hornet Evo is there. So it's all I haven't done much still to this since you last saw it going, although I did put some stiffer rear springs on it, but I've yet to drive it. So I've got some stiffer rear springs on that, and handily the yellow, and they go with the body, which is cool. But yes, so I will be getting that out again, as I want to sort of make it a wee bit quicker and see what it's like with these new rear springs on. Now, in between this giveaway video and the running the Hornet, I managed to pick up one of these, if you can see it okay. And I will be getting this on the channel properly, but I just thought it all ties in nicely. So this is a Tamiya Jet Hopper Turbo. Now this was the influence for my Hornet Evo build. And I managed to pick up, now as far as I'm aware, there's a few different ones. This is a Mark 1. Like the very first of these Tamiya jet hoppers, as it's got the sort of like the non-spiky, sort of like a proper treaded tyre on the front. Later they went to like a spiky tyre that matched the rear tyres that look a bit like grasshopper ones, Hornet tyres. So I did sort of have an idea that maybe what I'd like to do is, because I like doing this one, I might get not for the Hornet Evo necessarily, but I might get another Hornet body and some decals again, and try and do more of an exact replica of this. Now I know it's, you know, there's other people who've done it before, so it's not, you know, going to be totally original, because anyone can go and buy these decals from Nostalgia RC. But I would like to sort of try and match the tyres. I thought about using some of the ones off the which one is it? Buggy Champ or Rough Rider. They have the tyres that are similar to that, so I thought I could put some of them on and whatnot. But yeah, anyway, I was just toying with it, so I might do that. But we will get this on. I want to show you this running, and we'll get this back out as well. So it'll probably be in the same video. So anyway, I just wanted to show you what was the actual proper inspiration for this build. If you haven't seen one of those before, I'm sure a lot of you have, and also found this as well. Now, Credit goes to Thad of Iowa Budget Bashers, and also Glenn from Riviera RC. Both have had these little trucks. Now you can get these through the WPL website, or the Asia RC website. And basically, it's meant to be a 1/16. It's probably a little smaller than that, but it's a copy, a miniature copy of a Clodbuster. So I had to get one just for that reason. Really, it looks so cool, and it's in. You can get a couple of colours. Do a Volkswagen bus as well. I got the black and red because it reminded me of the black edition Clodbuster, and I painted up the 4x4x4 on the grille and some other little details. But other than that, it's how it comes. It is only 2-wheel drive as well, and it's only got front 2 wheels that steer. But I thought it was quite cool. I'm not sure if I'll do a full video on it, unless you really want me to, and I will. I got it because it wasn't expensive, and I just thought it'd be cool to have. And to be honest, eventually, I'll probably just give it to my little lad. But I thought it was cool, so I wanted to get that. So that's that. If you want me to show it you properly, then I might do a little small running video with it. Right, so that's what's been going on. Now we need to get on to the business end of stuff. So Hornet Evo, as I said, massive thanks to everyone who's took part in the giveaway. Much appreciated. Thanks to all those that subscribed to the channel and the Facebook groups and the Instagram page. Much appreciated. Anyway, let's see if we can put a smile on someone's face. So again, thanks to everyone who entered. Unfortunately, we can only give the one car away. It'd be great if we could give loads, but it's got to be one, I'm afraid. Right, so in this book, this little book that I've pinched off my daughter, I have here a list of sort of YouTube handles or usernames from 1 to 88. So like 2 full pages of entries. And then I've also pinched, I'm good at this, my wife's phone, which is going to act as the number generator. So put pin in. That's the wrong pin. And there we go. So hopefully you can see this. We've got a number generator on there. So it's we need to put in a minimum of 1 to maximum of 88, which we've done there. And I will, after I've drawn the winning name, I'll show you this close up and the book as well. So, good luck to everyone who's entered, and let's find out who's going to win. Right, number 9. Number 9 on here is Mikey Mike 3240. So Mikey Mike 3240. So just to show you that, I'm going to pop round here and you can see. So we've got number 9 there, and on my pad as well, number 9 there, we've got Mikey Mike 3240. So well done to you, sir. Congratulations, and I hope you enjoy the kit. I'd love to see the finished result once it's all built, so please do send us a pic of it as well. As I said, I'm really sorry we can't give away more on this giveaway, but as I said, I do appreciate everyone who has entered the giveaway. We will do some more at some point. I do like to do them if we can, so we will do it at some point. So yeah, cheers for joining on this episode. As I said, the winner needs to go into the video description of this video, and you'll find my email address there. Give us an email. Tell me what your YouTube handle is, or your username, and we will sort out the delivery. I'm not going to contact you any other way other than your private email address. So if a comment on your page or anything like that, it's not me. I will only sort it out with you direct via your email address. I will give you my email address because I've given it out probably enough times now. It's TamiyaDT02@hotmail.com. That's TamiyaDT02@hotmail.com. I say it'll be in the description of the video, and if the winner, Mikey Mike, can give me an email, we will get this sorted out for you, and hopefully this will be winging its way to you. Probably, realistically, I'll be sending it early next week. Okay, when I can convince my wife that she can go to the post office for us when she finishes work or something. So that's the plan. Okay, as I said, massive thanks for supporting the channel. I hope you had a brilliant Christmas, and I hope you have a great New Year. We'll be back soon, and hopefully I've got to get that J Halsey RC10 out. I was hoping I'd squeeze the video out between now and New Year's Eve, but I've not had the weather to really go and do it. Plus it's been busy with various things, so that's coming soon. And I still need to get Chris's Cougar back on the channel, so there'll be plenty of stuff going on for between now and 2025. Right. Take care of yourselves. Cheers for checking this one out. Well done to our winner. And well done to all you girls and guys back at home. And enjoy the rest of your holidays. Take care. And we'll see you all soon. Bye.